Have you ever noticed how hard it is to make great food without spending what feels like your entire paycheck? If you're like me, you want to prepare meals that are nutritious, delicious, budget-friendly, and don't require a degree in rocket science. Chances are you're watching this video because your research led you here. If you haven't found what you're looking for just yet, keep watching. I'm Robert Felkins, and I couldn't find the solution, so I decided to make it. RecipeSavants is my creation, and it's more than just another recipe website. It's a community of like-minded food lovers. I started this site because I wanted to make it easier for people to prepare fresh, healthy, tasty meals with easy to understand and smart recipes. I'll help you achieve your healthy goals by incorporating plenty of fresh ingredients. You'll find very little, if any, processed junk in any of my recipes or menus. And if a recipe does include a convenience product, I promise I'll provide a tip on how to make your own. Remember, homemade is best. I pour my heart and my soul into cooking homemade, fresh, delicious meals, something I've done since I was the age of 13. Every RecipeSavants recipe is a smart recipe that's been validated and formatted with minimal chef jargon. My featured menus even come equipped with a complete meal plan and shopping list in an easy to use and print PDF. All you need to do is shop, follow, and dig in. All of my recipes are powered by Chicory, meaning you can get all your ingredients online, either via Peapod or Amazon Fresh. That's what RecipeSavants is all about, making it easier to lead a healthy and fresh lifestyle. By becoming a member, you could even store, sort, and categorize your favorite recipes and get early access to my custom menu and shopping list. By signing up with RecipeSavants, you get early access to my custom menu and shopping list features, and you even get direct access to me, so I can answer all of your questions. Your feedback is welcome and encouraged. Together, we can make RecipeSavants the top recipe community on the web. Nothing beats homemade, so join up today. Why? Because everyone deserves fresh and delicious food that doesn't eat up your entire paycheck. See you on the other side.